I'm back with another video, and I just made some slime yesterday, and I'm gonna show you guys. So here goes the slime, and it is it has a lot of milk. Well, it is butter slime though, and look at that. But that was a mistake. So yeah, it's butter slime. And I made it with y'all guys already know, right? I made it with clay, modal clay, modal clay. And the first I made it with like normal slime, and then I made it with modal clay. Yeah, so yeah, that's how I made it. It's like really a light color, and I did not use no birthday cake color, they call it. Yeah, like food dye, I forgot how you call it. Yeah, so I did not use that. I just used paint, like a light paint. And I'm gonna have to name it Laffy Taffy Butter Slime Glitter. I don't have no name for just Laffy Taffy Butter Slime. I don't know. I just don't have a name. Purple Laffy Taffy Butter Slime. Yeah, but it has glitter in it. Purple Glitter Laffy Taffy Butter Slime. Hold on. Purple Glitter Laffy Taffy Butter Slime. Yeah, I got it. Cause last time that didn't make no sense. Purple Laffy Taffy Glitter Butter Slime. That doesn't make no sense. So I made it. Ew, guys, look, it got glitter in it. And it smells so good, like it smells like Laffy Taffy too. I didn't expect that. But I did expect that, I think. I don't know. Yeah, I expect that. No, man, I didn't expect that. Oh, this is funny.